And staying on the road, with overcrowding in public hospitals a major issue, at least one church in Spanish Town is continuing its push to raise funds for the Spanish Town Hospital, while there is a call for more partnerships to help improve service. Here is Denise Walters.
The New Life Church of God, the New Life Foundation in De La Vega City, hosted the second staging of its annual 5K Run Walk fundraiser in the Old Capital to help with continued upgrades at the Spanish Town Hospital.
We were aiming to make $10 million. We know we're not going to make that this year from all the information I've received thus far. But we're still excited. We will be able to do some things this year at the Spanish Town Hospital, similar to what we did last year. And that is enough innovation. Okay, we're not operating at a loss. We're making progress and we're moving ahead. And as long as we can move forward and even incrementally and make impact, then I think that is very, very important.
So last year we purchased a washing machine for the laundry. As you know, it was the inaugural walk and we didn't get the amount of money that we anticipated. So we were only able to purchase the washer. This year we expect it to be bigger and better, and so this year we expect to buy medical equipment.
CEO Jacqueline Ellis admits the hospital is over capacity.
Seeing more people than the facility can accommodate, but we can't turn away anybody, and so no matter how crowded the facility is, we have to still continue to accept patients. What we do, patients who we can transfer to other facilities such as National Chest Hospital or Bustamante Hospital for Children and even KPH.
The consensus is more alliances are needed to help the hospital provide the best possible care.
A government-funded facility, and we never can provide all that we need, and so partnership is important. It enables us to provide the care that we want to offer at all times.
I think it's a very good initiative by New Life. You know, we need more partnership, and personally I am very happy. And of course the community, St. Catherine and the adjoining community will benefit from this.
Dennis Robotham is a member of the foundation as well as the president of the St. Catherine Chamber of Commerce.
We are getting stronger every year as we seek to enhance the Spanish Town Hospital. And as you see, not only is it growing in the physical structure, but we're trying to undergird the financial and the other aspects of support to strengthen the overall aspect of the service that Spanish Town Hospital gives.
Meanwhile, Kevin Brown won the men's 5K in 18 minutes 53.39, followed by Navar Bell, who was second in 18 minutes 29.20, and O'Shea Hudson, who ended third in 9 minutes and 07 seconds.
Route was quite challenging, a bit short in the end, particularly on the backstretch, Marshman roadside. I had to hold my composure because the race went out hot, about 4:40 per mile. Circling behind the top three, and hold my composure until reached about 2K, then I started to increase pace a bit.
The women's equivalent was won by Camille Borg in 29 minutes 28.66 seconds, with the second and third place going to Ione Brown and Rosemary Powell respectively.
It was very challenging because I did not train, and at some point in time I felt a little weary and I said I cannot give up, I have to be consistent. And when I reached the 3K, I said wow, I have 2 more K to go, and I just continued to press on. I'm built for this and I was designed for it. So that's what I used to motivate me to finish.
In the meantime, the male-to-child run was won by Lighthouse Assembly in 26 minutes 04.28 seconds. Matthew Lewis and Jeremiah Allen were second and third respectively. Kesia Brown won the female child run in 40 minutes 34.01 seconds, followed by Aria Daly and Drenika Morgan. The men's walk was won by Fabian Sinclair, while Vanessa Sadler won the women's equivalent. Brian Burrows was the winner of the male child walk category, while Amelia Aikman came out on top in the female child walk. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.